Oh my God, there's something. Hey y'all. It's been a long day. I'm really lazy right now. I don't want to do anything. So I think I'm just going to wash my face and do my skincare and probably sit on the couch. So I'm just going to do our skincare really quickly, show you guys what I like to use on my face, and go from there. I make my face wash. I make it. This is Castile soap, water, and lavender oil. And this is the Castile soap that I have right now. It's just normal Castile soap. And you fill it like probably a third of the way with Castile soap. Actually, you know what? I can make some more. Let's make some more really quick. Okay, so probably I'll do it like that of soap, and then do a little bit of water in it. That's probably too much because that needs to go in. It's fine. Okay. And then I need some lavender oil. I use this on everything. I literally use this on everything. And I've been making my face wash like this for probably 10, 11 years. And this is my main face wash. That was like 10 drops. And I've never used a better face wash in my life. It's overflowing. And you just mix it up. It's so good. I feel like all the oil came out. I overflowed it too much. It's okay. Anyways, this is how you make a face wash. And I like it in this foam so that makes it easier. Anyways, okay. We're gonna wash our face now. We're done playing around. Rumpus time is over. Rumpus time is over. Oh wait, I need to put my, there's so much happening. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up. Just want to get water all in my hair. Boy. Let's do it like this. Whatever. I don't have to be pretty and perfect. It just gotta be out of my face. I just have so much hair, so long. Well, I'm obviously very bad at filming, so sorry you couldn't see me wash my face all that great. Anyways, look at my eyeball. Do you see it? You see my eyeball? Right there. Oh, scratched. Okay, let's do our skincare. I got this fridge, this makeup skincare fridge. Look at this. And I broke it. Oh my God, Becky, I broke it. Look how fancy that is. Look at that. Look at this fancy thing. Okay, let me put you back over here. Somehow. Stay. Okay. So, the first thing that I like to use is witch hazel. This is not the bottle witch hazel comes in, but I put it in this bottle. And I spray the shit out of my face with that. And then I like to use this other serum, but I'm almost out of it. This Palma Glaze. I'm almost out of it, so I've been trying to like savor it. But I'll use it. This Palma Glaze Dew of the Gods. It feels so good. You know, I love Alex Earl. Alex Earl, I just can't believe she's doing so many brand deals right now. And they're like, she's being so strategic with them too. Like, they're so good. Like, Sports Illustrated and Hawaiian, what is it? Hawaiian Tropic, is that what it is? The skin bronzer, what's it called? Suntan lotion and sunscreen. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Anyways, but she's being so strategic with like her brand deals, and they're like so on like par for her too. The next thing that I use is this Clinique. I thought my phone was dying. Anyways, I use this. And Alex Earl, her Sports Illustrated pictures, you're joking, right? Like, you're joking. They are so good. And I don't know, Alex Earl to me is just like, she's the best influencer. She has done so much good with her platform. I want her to keep that dog True. Like, I want her to keep True so bad. I don't want him to get adopted. I mean, I do want him to get adopted, but I want her to keep him. She's such a good mom to him. And I love her friends. I just think that Alex Earl is just, I want her to just have everything. And she's so genuine, and she's so nice, and she's so fun to be around. I say fun to be around like I've hung out with her. No, I've never hung out with her. I just assume she's fun to be around. And the way that Braxton pays attention to her, and the way he like looks at her, and they're just, I love it. I can't say enough good things about Alex Braxton. The other crazy thing is, how wild is it that we're like watching, I guess not watching because there's no cameras, but that we're like living Diddy's case in real time. Like, that went on for so long, and it's finally at trial. And then, hold on, Tory Lane's getting stabbed 14 times. Like, what? Like, let that man out of prison. Let that man out of jail. Like, they're gonna kill him in there. He hasn't even been in there for, like, what, a year? They're gonna kill him in there. And it's not because, it's I guarantee it's purely based off of jealousy and that he is famous. It's not because they really are like, oh, you did something so horrible, we need to get you for it. You know, like, it's purely, I think, based off of that he has money and he's famous. By the way, this was the moisturizer I just used. I think it's just purely based off that he's famous, that they tried to kill him. They tried to, and I'm surprised. Honestly, I'm surprised that he didn't, because 14 times is crazy. So, there's so much craziness going on. And then there's stories about the 19-year-old girls who got taken by ICE. And then Now, I don't know too much about that, to be honest. I just saw a little bit about that. I don't know much about that, but Justin Bieber, his posts, I feel like here in the last couple of weeks haven't been so crazy as his posts were being for the last little bit. Like Justin Bieber's posts were concerning, but they're getting better. Allison Cooch and Isaac Rochelle. I also love them. They're my favorite. Like, I guess Alex and Braxton are a couple, but Braxton's not like very influencery. Is that a word? But Allison and Isaac, I love them. Mr. and Mrs. Cooch. And their little Scotty baby. She's so cute. Well, the little glimpses of her we've gotten. She's cute. I wish we could see her. But obviously being on social media and the internet a lot, like, I understand you don't want your baby space. People are weird. But yeah, so Alex and Braxton and Allison and Isaac, those are my favorite influencers on social media. They're just very down to earth, really cool people. I don't even know how I got started talking on any of this. I was doing my skincare and I just started talking about Alex Earl, and then I went off on a whole tangent. Well, I guess I finished my skincare while I was talking. Guess that's it for now, guys. We're done. So, skedaddle. Get on out of here. But come back. God, I thought my dog knocked something over. But come back and watch my other videos. And like and subscribe. Because I'm funny-ish. Maybe. Anyways. Okay. Rumpus time is over. Bye. Okay, I literally do not know what is going on in here. Like, what is happening in here? How many is this? Like, how many is this? What's happening? I don't know what's happening in there. Okay, so that looks like 3, right? But there were 6 eggs. So I see 3 birds, right? And 1 egg still. So where are the other 2? We gotta find. I don't know where the other. I don't see anything down there, so I don't know. So I'm gonna walk. We're just taking our sweet old time today. Not doing much of anything, just walking around. We've been out here for almost 11 minutes. Oh, good boys. Oh, good boy Axel. And good boy Bandit. They're good boys. Come on, boys. That's a huge snake. The bird is pecking at it. Okay. scared. It's not even getting the bird. The bird's just pecking at its. Look at it. It's just letting it attack it. Okay, I'm scared. That is a huge snake. Like, what is going on? Hey, hold on. Hold on, I think I hear him.
Wah, wah! Wake up!
Alright, let's. Okay, so I'm in Aldi right now, and I've got a good amount of stuff. I'll show you guys my haul when I get home. But here's my cart. Oh, that's a big chair. I need to find vanilla and like walnuts or something, and I can't find. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. I'm gonna have to ask somebody where the vanilla is, and I want walnuts for chicken salad. No see with my eyes. I'm looking with my mouth, not my eyes. Okay, so here's my grocery haul. Here's what I got from Aldi. We're gonna put it away. Okay, so first thing, here's my extra bag. My receipt. Put that up there. Okay, I got these meal replacement shakes. I always keep these because I'm hungry in the mornings, and so I just have these. So I put those out in the garage. I have a thing of chocolate chip cookies. I got a thing of bread. I also got these things of bagels, cinnamon raisin bagels. I guess I can throw this bread away now. I got some more of this coffee stuff because I like to have this. I got some grapes. I need to wash those. Oh no, this came off my keys. I need to wash these grapes, so I'll put those over there. And these strawberries. Clean that up. Okay, I got some foil. Put this away in there. I got this pizza. This is my favorite pizza from Aldi. And here's my quarter from my... This is my favorite pizza from Aldi. It's so good. I probably eat this like once a week at least. We're gonna have to fix this. Hold on. This isn't... Okay, wait. This pizza's gonna have to wait a second. Okay. I got some ice cream. I got orange juice. I got this Japanese style barbecue sauce. I love this stuff. Although I can put this in here because this is technically an extra right now. Ooh, I'm excited to make these peanut butter brownie, cookie dough brownie, whatever. Peanut butter cookie brownie bar mix. I'm gonna make these some point. Yum. Okay. I got these to try. Oh my gosh, I used to drink these when I was little. and I haven't had one in so long. And then I got this mocha cappuccino one to try. Put those down here. Okay, I also got this probiotic strawberry drink. I don't know. Put that there. I got some gallon freezer bags. So I was out of those. I got some cheesecake or dessert. I got some pulled pork for dinner. We got some ricotta cheese because I'm going to try to make cannoli dip, because Aldi used to have cannoli dip and it's so good, and they don't anymore, so I'm gonna have to make it. So I got some chocolate chips for it too. I'll put those in here. I got some apples for my chicken salad. I got some chicken fingers. Okay. I got some powdered sugar for my cannoli dip. Put that down here. Although I don't know if I need this. Hey, remember when I said that I didn't check before I had, yeah, it's fine. Now I just got a lot of powdered sugar. You know, and the thing is I thought that I had this, but I wasn't sure, and I didn't want to not have it, so, but it's fine. Okay. Then I got some cotton swabs because I needed these Q-tips. I got some walnuts for my chicken salad. Put these there. Okay. Last bag. We got some cold foam for our coffee. There. We got some salted caramel Greek yogurt. I'm excited to try that. I'm not a huge yogurt girl, so I don't know if I'm gonna like it that much or not, but I got it to try. I got some raspberry lemonade. I got a lot of drinks, I guess. I got some strawberry cream cheese and normal cream cheese. Put these in there. I got some cans of chicken for my chicken salad. Put these up here. I got some ham for anything. I got another thing of this sauce because I love it. Vanilla extract for my cannoli dip. Ooh, cookie dough salted caramel things for dessert. I'm gonna try these. I don't know if they're gonna be good or not, but we're gonna try them. Vanilla extract, we'll put that, it needs to go up there. And then a thing of peanut butter. And then I got toilet paper. And I got water. And that is my grocery haul. All done. I'm just gonna put these bags away. And then these bags go right here next to the fridge. Okay. And then I gotta put my quarter away. Put this vanilla extract away out of the box. I'll put it up here. Will it fit up here? It won't don't fit up here. I could take one of these away though. Like, I don't need those. Okay. Hi, Mom. Stop. Oh, that's the mom. Okay, I'm going away, Mom. Yeah, I'm leaving your baby at home. Okay. I'm driving, and this is just really pretty right now. So, just enjoy.
No one's seen the alpaca, so.
Wow, it looks like it's gonna spit.
You want to see if.
That's crazy.
No, don't grab her phone. Sorry.
You can't do it.
Give it to him. Give it to him, baby.
Oh my god, his mouth is so little.
Yeah, watch it. Look at its tongue.
Look at him.
Look at its tongue. It's like a human tongue.
It's so cute. I wanna
No, don't try to pet it. If it bites you, it'll take your finger off. That's why it's got the.
Whoa, he's crazy, isn't he?
You pet a camel. Oh, they put his head right through there. I'm gonna try to get you to come back so you can see this.
Look at this. Are you having a good day? Are you having a good day, Olivia? Yeah? And a big old bucket? What are you doing?
Eat all the jalapenos.
I didn't eat all the jalapenos. I don't like
I think
jalapenos.
I did.
Oh, you ate them all. I was like, I don't like jalapenos. I accidentally just ate one, and I was going to cry from it. Yummy?
Girls, it's time to help with the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shane Hansen. Now, folks, the real reason I'm here today, it's time for me to talk to you good people about exciting cryptocurrency investment opportunities. The market is down, but you can be up with Fire Guy Cool. I'm on the edge here, all right. How many people think I could do this? How many people want to see me fall for TikTok?
Yeah!
And you're Generation Z. Camera's ready. Oh, it's windy. Yeah! Wow! I'm so happy now. It's time for the dance.
That's all his girls right there. That's all his wives. Yeah. You sounded like a dying chicken, girl.
What?
You ever seen my 2-foot cock? It's running around up there.
You're an idiot.
Yeah, they're getting on my hens.
He's got a lot of bitches over there.
Shit, it's hard enough to have one wife, let alone fucking 20. God damn, he's a brave motherfucker.
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
They're not.
There are not baby chickens in there.
They're just eggs for
Let me see them.
scrambled eggs.
Oh, let me see yours.
Oh yeah, those came out clean.
Oh,
Those came out pretty clean.
no
too.
poop on those at all.
Whenever they're
Like, holy crap.
Yeah, mine looks good. I'm gonna take a picture.
This is so much. Look at this.
Lisa, what do you mind this?
She's 43, baby. She's getting old.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
You wanna blow out the candles again? Oh shit. I
Ready?
forgot.
What happened? What happened?
You wipe it off. It's fun.
It's in her nose.
Here. Blow your nose.
And that's a wrap, everybody, on our weekend. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'll be 29. So we celebrated, had a little cake, and just had a good weekend hanging out. So I hope that everybody enjoyed. Please comment, like, subscribe, watch my next video, watch my last video, watch all of my videos. Not kidding. Anyways, well, see y'all next time. Bye.